All right, now we're doing 7Q Baby Shark Lyrics Generator. This is by Alberto GCMR, and 83% of the people like it. All right, so we're going to be making a function as short as possible that returns the lyrics for our favorite song in the world, Baby Shark. Also, we got this crazy character at the end, and we'll figure all this out, right? So first, let's turn this into concise syntax. So const Baby Shark lyrics equals this, and then we're going to have an arrow right there. Inside here, since we're doing this as concisely as possible, we're going to say s equals, and we're going to make a what is this? An array filled with all the different shark names. So give me a second. All right, now that we've got this down, we're going to start on this next line. And we're going to do a map method on this S. If you don't know about the map method, it creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. And the syntax we're going to be using is just this normal map arrow function with element here, an arrow, and then an expression. All right, so for this, we're going to do this concisely, right? So we're going to say s.map, and we're going to say e for element, and we're going to say here, we're going to use a bunch of template literals, right? And if you don't know about the template literals, they're literals delimited with backtick characters, allowing for multi-line strings, string interpolation with embedded expressions, and special constructs called tag templates. What we're going to be using it for is the string interpolation with the embedded expressions. If you don't know about the embedded expressions, basically here we just have a $ with curly braces around an expression, and these are the backtick characters here, which are to the left of the 1 and right above the tab key. All right, so we're going to say backtick right here, and we're going to do the $ curly braces. I'm just going to save this because we got to do a few of these. And then, so right in here, we're going to say E, so it's going to put one of these names. And then we're going to have to do the do after it. So we're going to say comma, and we're going to do another one. And inside this one, we're going to have this, the regular single quotes with a space and do. And then we're going to use the repeat method to repeat this 6 times. And the repeat method, if you don't know, constructs and returns a new string which contains the specified number of copies of the string on which it was called concatenated together. So we're going to say do.repeat 6, just like that. And now we've got that part. Now we're going to repeat this whole thing 3 times. 1, 2, 3 right here. And also let's do the escape character in right here so it does the line break. And so after this right here, but still inside the map, we're going to say dot repeat, and we're going to do this 3 times. And then we're going to add one more thing. After that, we're going to say plus, and we're going to do the backtick characters with the embedded expression, and we're going to say the element one more time. And after that, an exclamation point with one more line break right there. It's a lot of reading or a lot of writing and getting stuff straight, but hopefully that makes sense to you. Let's do a console.log and see if it looks good right now. All right. So let's test it out, see what it looks like. All right, looks pretty good. Looks like what we're looking for. Now at the end of this, we're going to add this runaway with this thing. So after this, after the map, we're going to say plus inside of regular quotes, single quotes. We're just going to take this here because I don't want to look up the UTF-16 for that character. And put that right there. And let's test it out again. Looks pretty good. We're going to have to join these together because as we can see, they're being joined together by these commas. So after this map, let's use the join method which creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the elements in an array or array-like object separated by commas or a specified separated string. So we're going to say dot join, and let's join it by the spaces in between characters. Now let's test it again. That looks like what we're talking about. It looks exactly like what we're talking about. All right, so let's get rid of this console.log action, and I'll bring this down here just because we don't have a lot of room on this one, on this display. Looks good to me. Let's test it out. It worked. Awesome. Attempt it. Submit it. All right. As you see, it's pretty much the same as this. They did it in regular syntax. This one is doing kind of what we did, but not exactly what we did. They, instead of putting shark after all these, it does this. And it's pretty convoluted, but whatever. And then some more if you wanted to look at them. All right, let's go to mine. Just me, very much like this one. Let's go to best practice, and we'll see you next time.